All right, so I'll be taking you through these different ways of creating what is called a custom email address. Now, when you are starting a blog or starting a website, all right, maybe a business website, or you are building a business for your brand, it's always important or necessary that you create a custom, email address different from the general, maybe Gmail or Yahoo mail that we know. All right, take for example that you are starting a brand called maybe you are selling a particular product and you'd want customers to reach out to you. And what usually happens is that companies do create several email addresses, such as maybe admin at yourbusinessname.com, or you also have maybe support, or depending on the administrative units that you have in your system or your company. So you can create different custom emails to each of these different departments in your company. And that is what I'm going to be showing you in this lesson. And before previously we talked about using the Hostinger website to that's the hosting service to host our website. I mean, we saw the different ways of how to buy a domain name and also how to buy a hosting plan. So Hostinger allows us to get our email, all right, our custom email services. And first and foremost, when you have purchased your email, we have access. If you are using Hostinger, that's why I recommend you to use Hostinger. So we have free email that is usually given whenever you buy a domain name. All right. Either you are buying a domain name from them or maybe you are migrating from a different domain name provider. Let's say you buy a domain name from somewhere else, maybe a different domain provider, and then using your name servers, maybe after configuration of your name servers, maybe transferring your domain from the other provider down to this Hostinger. So Hostinger still allows you to create a custom email for these services. And how do you do that? That is just what we are going to be seeing in this lesson. So I've already purchased this domain name, all right, and in the dashboard I've currently selected this. We have several domain names that I've purchased here, and one of them is this techskillup.xyz, and that is what I'll be using to take you through this. So let's just get started. And so first and foremost, click on manage, right? Just click on manage here. You can either click on manage or you just go to emails here. And once you go to emails, if you have many domain names on the platform, you will see the status of your emails here, those that have been set up, and then some that are expiring, and then those that have not yet been set up. So this is one of the domains that I purchased, and so it says setup not finished here. So I have to click on manage to manage this. And once you've done that, we have what is called the Titan free email. So this email services is provided by the Titan, right, company here. So we have the different packages here. You can select your email plan, and each of the plan have their different features here, as you can see. So we have here the free version of it where you will not have to pay anything. So we have here 0.00 $0.00 per month, and then we have 1 GB storage per account. So if you are just starting a new business without having much customers, prefer that you choose this particular plan. Now, we also have the other plan, which is the business email here, or a Titan business email, and you pay $1.49 per month. We also have this other enterprise email here, which is about $3.99 per month. Right, and we can see the different features here. So if you are just starting newly, as I said, sorry I'm repeating myself, and I just want to emphasize on certain things. So there is no point to you going here to to select this business email or going to the enterprise emails to do this. No, there's no need. So you just select the Titan free email that is available for here. So just click on the select, and then you choose your plan. Right, you say email plan was also selected, and then you now have to give a custom name to read. Right, so let's let the page to load. So if you have workers, let's say you have assigned someone to be handling some emails, so you can give it like John at maybe your company.com, businessname.com, or maybe Emeka.this. So you can choose to give it admin. All right, this is going to make this email account an admin. So you can choose here admin. So every administrative work, right? For example, you send out these emails to them. And so once you do that on that, then you just click choose a password here. Then once you have done, you confirm, right? Input your recovery email address. And I wouldn't want to create here, but I'm showing you this is how you are going to be doing that. And then also you just click on, once you are done, click on create account. So an account will be created for you. So whenever you want to access this email, remember that you will not be able to be accessing it through, you can as well access it through Google, all right? But we are not going to be looking at that. There's a different way of configuring everything and, adding it to your phone, like synchronizing it with your Gmail. So shows that when messages comes in, you can use your app to, to track, to see those emails. But we are not going to be looking at that. So we have a special app. That's if you are using this Titan, powered by Titan. You can go get to Play Store, download the Play Store app, and then you log in with your email address and then this password here. So you can use that to manage all the emails coming into this email address. So I really thank you for joining me once again, and we've been able to see how to create custom email addresses in your business or as you are starting a website. So see you next time.